You guys, this tutorial is going to be super quick. One of the top questions I get asked here on the channel is how to make bows. That's one of the most difficult things to learn. It was for myself as well. So today I'm going to show you a super quick and easy bow making tutorial that's perfect for beginners, and it's super stinking cute. So you can use this all throughout your wreath making as a quick and easy bow recipe. Let me just take a quick moment to welcome those of you that are new here to the channel. Stillwater's Wreath Designs is all about step-by-step wreath making and door spike tutorials. We've got new tutorials uploading every single week, so if you like that sort of thing, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and join us. Remember guys, this is just a recipe. Feel free to change out the ribbons as you wish. Just make sure you're always using wired ribbons. You'll find a full materials list for you below in the description of this video. To make today's bow, you're going to need a pipe cleaner or some floral wire, a good pair of crafting scissors, and 5 different ribbon types. I recommend 3 that are 2.5 inches in width and 2 that are 1.5 inches wide. Doesn't really matter how you mix and match as long as you've got 5 in total and they are wired. So we're going to cut the 2.5 inch wide ribbon into 26 inch strips, and we only need 1 piece of every single ribbon type. I typically measure that first piece of ribbon and then use it as a guide for the next 2 pieces. And then we're going to need 1 strip of each of the 1.5 inch ribbons measured at 24 inches in length. Once you've got all of your ribbon strips cut, it's time to trim those ends. You can either dovetail or angle trim, whatever you prefer. For today's bow, I'm going to angle trim. So I've just folded that strip in half. I came down about 3/4 of an inch on the side and cut up diagonally. Let's go ahead and get our ends trimmed. Let's go ahead and put these strips in the order that we want to see them. So we're going to use this black and white check as the bottommost layer. Next up, the polka dot, then our cute little bunnies, our orange glitter, and our polka dot. And we're going to flip those guys upside down. You want to take that pipe cleaner or floral wire and just bend that into a loose V so it's ready to secure our bow when we're ready. We're going to take that ribbon and fold this guy into a zigzag. Just like that. We're going to do this to every single piece. Once you've got those ribbon pieces all folded into a zigzag and stacked up, flip that guy upside down again. You'll pick up your very first ribbon. You want the seam side facing up, and all we're going to do here is identify that middle. You're welcome to measure it. I'm just going to eyeball it, and we're just going to scrunch and gather that ribbon. Just like that, and then hold it into your hand. We'll do that with our second ribbon. Lay that right on top. And the third. We're just going to continue this pattern until we've done this with all of our ribbon strips. Once you've got your ribbons stacked on top of one another, go ahead and secure that with your pipe cleaner or your floral wire. Just going to wrap that guy around the center. Tighten that up as tight as I can, tight, 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 and spin those pipe cleaner bits around 3 or 4 times so it's nice and secure. We'll then flip our bow stack over, and we're just going to separate out our loops and tails, also known as fluffing. Give yourself some grace with this, guys. This takes just a few minutes of time here. I'm just starting at the bottom of the ribbon stack and making an X with each of the ribbon layers. Once I get that finished, I'm opening up all of those loops, fluffing out those tails, and shaping my bow. And just like that, we've made a super cute bow. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, friends. If you'd like to see where this bow is going to go, be sure to hop on the channel tomorrow for a Dollar Tree Easter wreath design. Thanks for spending time with me today, friends. Happy crafting.